Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. I am playing still with my puppy pool and my spinner, but I don't need them for this painting. So my last two videos, I'm doing this all at the same time on my end, but you're watching them on different days. I was trying the bloom technique. I have a bit of the colors left, so I'm just going to do a flip cup with them. I've added some silicone and we'll see what happens. So I grabbed a cup. I mixed up some black as well. So I've got yellow, orange, blue, green, and red. The red looks pink and black, as I said. So we'll do black in the bottom. We'll do a couple layers. I don't know what I'm going to get out of this. This is probably still too thick for a flip cup. I don't got a lot of red left, which kind of is a bummer. I like red. See, it looks pink next to the black. I don't know what's up with that. And let's put this Naples yellow next. I'm just doing this willy-nilly. I have no rhyme or reason. We're just testing out my Christmas presents. Now, I know we're gonna get green. Actually, I should have just done a dirty pour. It's kind of a dirty pour. So I haven't really done a dirty pour before. And I'm not being super careful on what's going on here. Gonna do some more orange. I'll put this one in a bit nicer. See, it's up higher than normal for me, so it's hard for me to see what's going on. I'm hoping I have enough paint here, because I haven't measured, and normally I'm pretty gotta measure it type of girl, not gal. The blue. We're going to add the red. Maybe we'll get a nice purple. So I'm going to finish off the red here. And I'm only scraping because I don't know if I have enough paint. I put silicone in all my colors except for black. Now let's add some orange. We'll finish off the orange. I'm layering it a bit nicer now. It's just that I still have some black left, and I don't want the black near certain colors. I don't want icky colors. I would prefer for this to be nice and bright and vibrant. I really hope I have enough paint. Finish off the yellow. So the yellow looks like gold, but it is not. It is Naples yellow. I think this is an 8-ounce cup, if I remember correctly. We're getting near the top, but getting low on colors. Finish off the blue. Yeah, I'm sure with any artist, when you start using a new pouring medium, you got that learning curve again, and it's not easy. But I've been wanting the floetrol for a while, and I'll check it out and see what's going on with it. Off with the green. We got a full bright cup of paint here, and I still have some black. So I'm thinking we'll put the rest of the black on the corners, just in case I don't have enough paint. What do you think? That sound like a good plan? I think it's a good plan. go. 2. I can spin it. 4. Got some fluff in there. Let's get that out. I think it's paint that's drying on my gloves from my previous ones. So I'm gonna pause you here in a second. I'm gonna fix that because I don't want stuff, and there's also a hair in there, and I'm gonna switch out my gloves. So don't go anywhere, I promise. I'll be back. Okay, flip the cup over and look at all those cells. I can't believe it. I'm pretty sure I have enough paint. I did all the black around the edges. Look at my pitiful job of doing that. But those cells, wow. That is the floetrol. Okay, I'm just gonna, when I pick the cup up, I'm just picking it up. I'm not gonna do anything else with it. We'll give it another couple seconds to release, even though I think it's released pretty nicely. Oh yeah. Get that out of the way, because we're just gonna get stripes. Cups everywhere. Okay, I do have feet on this guy. Oh yeah, more than enough paint. Go over there. Go over there. Go over there. Let's get over that last edge. There we go. That's, I'm quite happy with that. Not the most ideal way to do this in my little pool thing, and I've got looser gloves on, and I forgot to get paper towel ready. Kind of missed my corners, but I can fix those, no problem. I'm just gonna pick up some paint and dribble it on the corners. So let's do that. I got lots of paint all around. Trying to get the similar colors. But this is definitely very similar to a dirty pour. I was just willy-nilly, whatever, getting my paint on there. Not sure if I have to get more paint off of here or not. I'll do that after. Just wanted to get my corners fixed for you. Okay, let's get you, well, the painting straight so you can see it. Zoom you in. I know the lighting's not the best. This is winter sunlight. It sucks. Just cleaning off my hands before I touch my camera. Actually, I'll just take my glove off. I'm just gonna move you around. Sorry if I'm making you motion sick or something like that. Let's move this light out of the way because it's putting a lovely glary circle on it. So there we go. Totally different look. I did a painting with these same colors minus the white because I didn't have it in this one, and it looks nothing like this. So I'm actually really happy with this. I would have wished for more red. I just didn't have enough. I didn't want to mix anymore. I was being lazy, I'll be honest. but it's very, I don't know what words to use. There's little cells in there, and then I got white paint and the white powder from these gloves all over my hands, so I'm trying not to point because they don't look nice. But it's almost like a lacing, maybe? Like, I'm not sure. But I definitely like this one. If I'd known it was going to be this nice and I had more than enough paint, I would have gone a size up. But that's fine. So I've got 3 paintings done, all the exact same colors. This one had black in it, was the only difference. And not a lot of black. I mixed up 10 grams of paint, 30 grams of floetrol, and then I added some water to thin it down. So probably just a couple grams of water, if that. But yeah, let me know what you think of this one. Do you prefer the look from the floetrol, or do you prefer the look from the glue medium? Leave a comment and let me know. I'm kind of liking both. I know you can have more issues with the floetrol, so this might not dry as pretty as it looks right now, which will make me sad because I like how it looks, but it's more fluid, I guess, than the floetrol. But yeah, awesome. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.